Hi guys, welcome to my channel Style with Crochet. Today I am telling you how to crochet a very quick and easy shawl for winter. So let's get started. First of all, make basic chains and then into the fourth chain make double crochet. These three chains are for one double crochet. So I have two double crochet. In next chain make double crochet. In next chain double crochet. In next chain make one double crochet. I have 5 double crochet. Chain 2. 1 2 skip 2 chains. Into the third make one double crochet. Chain 2. In the same chain make again double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 2 chains 1 2 and into the third make one double crochet. In next 8 chains make double crochet. So I will make 9 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 double crochet. Chain 2. Skip chain 2 into the third make one double crochet. Chain 2. Again one double crochet into the same chain. Chain 2. Skip 2 chains and in the last 5 chains make 5 double crochet. I am telling you this then in a small pattern. This is one portion of the pattern and on the edges you have to make 5 double crochet in the end and in the beginning 5 double crochet. Chain 3. Turn the work and make 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Decrease 1 double crochet. In first row I made 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. In second row I made 1 2 3 4 double crochet. Skip 1 double crochet and now make chain 2. Into the 2 chain space make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet again into the same row. Chain 2 and now these are 9 double crochet. Decrease 1 double crochet starting and 1 in the last. So I will make 7 double crochet. Skip 1 double crochet and in the second make double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 decrease this double crochet, chain 2. In 2 chain space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Chain 2, again 2 double crochet into the same space. Chain 2, and now decrease 1 double crochet and make 4 double crochet. In previous round I made 5 double crochet. Now I will make 4 double crochet. 2, 3, 4. Chain 3. Turn the work, and now I will make 3 double crochet. These 3 chains are for 1 double crochet. In the next make 1 double crochet. In next make 1 double crochet. Decrease this double crochet. Chain 2. And in 2 chain space make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, again 3 double crochet into the same space. In first round I made 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet and then 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and now decrease 1 double crochet. I will make 5 double crochet. In previous round I made 7 double crochet. Chain 2, and in 2 chain space make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet again into the same space. Chain 2, decrease 1 double crochet and make 3 double crochet in the last 3 chains. Chain 3, turn the pattern, and now I will make 2 double crochet only. Decrease this double crochet. Chain 2. In the 2 chain space now I will make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, again 4 double crochet into the same space. 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, decrease 1 double crochet, and now I will make 3 double crochet. 2, 3, decrease in the last one, and chain 2. In 2 chain space make 4 double crochet. Chain 2, again 4 double crochet into the same space. chain 2, decrease this double crochet and make in last 2 chains 2 double crochet. Chain 2, chain 3. Video 2. One portion is completed and now I will repeat the pattern from starting. Now I have 2 double crochet. I will make 5 double crochet. 2 double crochet and make 3 double crochet into the 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In starting I made 5 double crochet. Now I repeat the pattern 5 double crochet, chain 2 and into the 2 chain space make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet again into the same space, chain 2, and now I will make 9 double crochet. 3 double crochet over previous 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet within this 2 chain space and 3 within this 2 chain space. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochet into the 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 3 double crochet over previous double crochet. And 3 into the 2 chain space. So I have 9 double crochet. Chain 2. In 2 chain space make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Again 1 double crochet into the same space. Chain 2. In 2 chain space make 3 double crochet, 3 and 2 double crochet over previous double crochet, 4 into the last chain make 1, 5 double crochet, chain 3. In this round make 4 double crochet, decrease this one and now and chain 2. In 2 chain space make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet and then chain 2, decrease this double crochet and make 7 double crochet and in last double crochet decrease this one. Chain 2, in 2 chain space 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, chain 2, decrease this double crochet and make 4 double crochet. So guys, the design will look like this. I hope you will like this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.